my viewers. Welcome to the show, Dr. Shakira ma'am. Welcome to Just Bliss, Thorough Happiness Presents Psychotalks and Mental Health Awareness, Episode 1. So,
So
I would
happy
like
to be
to,
a part. Happy to be a part, and thank you for this opportunity for inviting me personally. To be the first guest, speaker on your first episode. I'm so happy, feeling so honored and blessed.
thank you for accepting and being my guest, ma'am. Thank you.
You're most welcome.
I would like to introduce Dr. Shakira Ahmed ma'am. Dr. Shakira Ahmed ma'am, she is the founder and correspondent of Sunshine Academy. Ma'am, she started Shine Education Society along with her partner in the year 2006. Till 2015, they worked together, and in 2016, Dr. Shakira Ahmed ma'am solely decided to go ahead with all new Sunshine Academy. So, since 2016, Sunshine Academy is run by Dr. Shakira ma'am. She didn't just carry it forward, but she added many new wings to it by winning numerous awards for her service to society and the country. We are honored, ma'am. We are honored. I'm honored to have you on my show. Thank you so
Thank you
much.
so much. Thank you. You're most
Dr.
welcome.
Shakir Ahmed ma'am did her graduation from Justice Bashir Ahmed Sayyid College. She did her diploma in airlines ticketing and travel management. She did her advanced diploma in Montessori kindergarten and nursery teachers training society. She has attended and conducted countless seminars, webinars, etc. She believes in learning and growing. And she has also, I'm honored to actually say the number of awards she has bagged. Ma'am has bagged Higher Education Review Award in the year 2016, Best Teachers Training Institute in Chennai by Arctic Awards in the year 2019. She has also won Women Entrepreneurs Award by WOW Awards in the year 2020, Warriors 2020 Awards by Pearl Ads and Events in the year 2020. And she has also been honored of Doctorate of Letters in the year 2020. And the Guidance Council appreciated the efforts taken by the Institute and by the MAM by presenting awards twice in the years 2018 and 2020 on the accounts of International Women's Day. I'm so honored, ma'am, to read your profile. You're just
Actually,
rocking.
sorry for interruption. Sorry for interrupting you. There is another award, or like you can say, another feather in my crown. Rather than saying feather, it can be like a gem or jewel in my crown. Maybe it might happen again in the month of August. So there is
Oh,
this event which is going to be held under the name Phoenix Awards, and they have shortlisted us for that as well.
oh
So
wow.
they're just waiting for.
Congratulations.
Thank you. They're waiting for the confirmation from
Congratulations.
my side. So I'm just
Oh,
happy to get the
okay.
confirmation.
So one more wing just popping up. And in near future, we will be seen on Dr. Shakira Ahmed, ma'am, and Sunshine Academy. Great, ma'am.
Thank you.
Let's begin our talk show, ma'am. I would like to ask you to tell us about when did you decide to open an institution for teachers training in Montessori curriculum? What made you, what inspired you?
Okay, I would like to definitely give a very frank and an honest reply to this. I don't know whether you'll be shocked or what. Um, Opening up an teacher training institute wasn't my dream. It wasn't my
Oh,
dream at all. So
okay,
once, I let me go from the start. Okay. Um,
please.
like every housewife or every homemaker, when they have after having kids and everything, they decide they dream to have their own identity or something. So that time I came across an article in the paper, where it was mentioned, like, do you want to get trained into Montessori concept? So I never knew what is Montessori at that point of a time, but that word actually Montessori, it fascinated me, it attracted me towards it. I said, like, okay, chalo, let's go and see what it is all about. So I just went, I did my course, and after completing my course, I was completely in that frame of mind, like I have to either have to do a job, okay, and second thing is, or else I have want to open up my own play school. So me along with my friend, like how you mentioned in my introduction, like along with my friend, we decided we were hunting out for places, for looking out for play schools, but they didn't work out. Actually that time it didn't work out at all. So finally, my trainer, my ma'am, my mom actually, from where I did the
Oh,
course.
oh,
So
okay.
she gave me this idea. So why don't you open up your own institute? That will be even more good. So as I said, I'll be very frank. So when I decided, okay, let me just like, whatever ma'am said, let me just go ahead, let me open the institute and everything. But after opening the institute also, I didn't have any idea like how I'm going to run the institute. What are my responsibilities toward the institute? How am I going to conduct classes and everything? I didn't have. So basically, opening up a training
It just
institute was
clicked.
not in my list at all.
But you were
It was
made
just
for it.
yeah, today I can say that. I can say that very proudly. I can say that, like, when I have to
Yeah.
train teachers, like, I say that. That is there.
Great, great, great. So that is the history of how Sunshine Academy evolved.
A
Great,
brief
ma'am.
history.
My next question is, ma'am, how has been your journey throughout the
Well,
day you started and now being in?
yeah. So like
How
every
was your journey? Yes, ma'am.
I can say it was a very successful story, like of Sunshine Academy. But every successful story has its own trials and tribulations. The trial and the error method. Then we all have like this, what do you call that, as ups and downs. Everything was there. So initially, basically, when I said like we opened up an institute, I didn't have any idea or anything. So I was just like going, coming, and like you have to handle classes. Classes also, when you ask my very first students, very first batch students, they will tell you, ma'am, she's not a good teacher at all. So I was not a very good trainer at that point of a time. I was like just sitting with my legs crossed over, and I was just having a book, and I was like just reading out from the book. For me, that was only the training part. Okay, so there were many ups and downs which I faced. Everything, like one point of a time, we decided to close the institute as well. In the initial years, when there were not very good students count and all that stuff. That time I decided to take up a job as also, and I did got recruited in a school. So morning going to school, then afternoon, like taking care of the institute. It went on for a week. Then only I realized my very first anxiety level or depression level was when my son, my younger one, he felt I was
Mhm.
neglecting him. So he
Oh,
started becoming very silent, and also because of that I had to leave the job, and I said like let me focus only on this. But once I started focusing on that also, it was like okay, second, how to do? How is it going to work out? Because I'm not very good in marketing. I'm not a very marketing person and all. I don't know all that. So I was like, kaise kare? How to do? This institute has to go on? How to make this institute run? So lots and lots, but my family supported me at that point of a time. My sister, my parents, my son, my kids, and everyone, my husband as well. Everyone supported me. They said like, no, you can do it. You can do it. They built in that confidence in me. And okay, fine. Today, as you see, what I am today.
wow. Great,
It
great,
was,
ma'am.
but very difficult. It was difficult. So being a woman from a Muslim family, Muslim background, and all that, obviously, it was very difficult. Like there were a lot of times when people actually they were like behind me and they were trying to pull me down. Then
Ah,
that point of
that's
my time, I said like, no, I have to move on. I have to first believe in myself. Only then. So lots of issues, but still
that's what.
facing them with confidence. That's what I can say.
And
I
rising
got
out. That's what my show is about, ma'am. Any human being comes from anywhere, any background, doing any kind of work, taking any kind of job. Everywhere the mental health is connected.
that
And we
is
need
there.
to
That is
talk.
there.
It's not
Yeah.
only just the experts who have learned about the psychology or mental health can talk about it. A common person has even more to share, right? More
Exactly.
than books, the live experience of their own life and how they overcome. Okay, ma'am.
Exactly.
I would like to move ahead. Did
Sure,
you
sure.
ever feel stressed or had any kind of anxiety while training aspiring teachers or while placing them in different schools in different fields?
Stress levels and anxiety levels.
Stressed, yes,
While
ma'am.
training
How was your
teachers.
feeling? Yes, like while teaching teachers, so you must be conscious about how it is going to happen, and once they complete, how they will be placed and how they will be carrying forward Sunshine Academy, the name tag with them. So, what anxiety and what stress level you had always felt while taking up a new batches, completing and sending forward, because you will be responsible for placing also them.
Exactly.
Tell me
So,
about that.
during the training of the teachers, like, during my training sessions, my classroom teaching and all, in fact, I actually loved. that, because teaching wasn't my passion at all, but I made it as my passion. I
Oh.
made it actually. So when I go for taking my lectures or training my teachers and all, I get used to get down to their level and talk. See, initially when I started this institute, I was the youngest in the class. My teachers were, I mean, like, they were
Elder.
elder to me.
Okay.
I was the
Okay.
youngest one. Now today I'm the eldest one and I have the teachers. So I have moved with that set also, and I'm moving this set also.
Oh,
Only thing
okay.
is how you make yourself, like, adapt to that environment, adapt it. That is there. Stress levels and anxiety levels, if you see, it comes only on the convocation day. Only
Oh,
during the
okay.
convocation day, when the
Okay.
assessment everything is done, only that time I feel a lot of anxiety, not anxiety, I said, like, I stress myself a lot, or I get stressed out, because
Okay.
obviously when you have your mark sheets in your hand, your expectations will be different, and what marks you have got, that expectations will be different. So that point of a time I feel a kind of, like, a little bit stressed out and a little bit disappointed with how the trainee teachers everyone come out. Otherwise, during my training sessions and all, it is not, I don't find any
Great, ma'am.
level.
Great. You're managing your stress level and your life very well. Wow.
No,
You're an
I have
inspiration
to.
for many of our viewers.
No, I have to manage that. I cannot
Great,
show that.
great.
Even I might be stressed out. I might be having lots and lots of, like, any kind of tensions and all. But the moment I enter into my classroom, I always carry a smile on my face. So
Wow.
even today, if you go ask my students, they will say, "Ma'am, this is what I heard the feedback. I'm not telling it from my head, and I get that feedback. They
Yes,
say,
yes.
"Ma'am,
Agree, agree, agree. I
yeah,
agree,
because
ma'am.
you know
Looking at
better."
you itself, I am a creation made by you,
Yeah,
I can say. I can proudly say. I'm your
yeah.
finished product.
Very true,
Yes,
very
ma'am.
true. So by having just a smile on your face, it's because we know, like, almost all our housewives who come for this training, teacher training purpose. So when they come with so much of tension, they say, "Ma'am, I have to wake up early in the morning." So am I going in very detail, or this is okay?
No, no, it's absolutely fine, ma'am.
Okay. So
Please
it is
go
like
ahead.
teachers who come, they say, "Ma'am, what to do? I got up this time. I had to do this. I had to do that. My son is there. My kids are there. My in-laws are there. My parents." So all this, they come with the issue. So I just say, whatever it is, dump it outside, and then you enter into the class. Think you're here in your teenage years. Enjoy these days. I mean, enjoy the days you're over here as a trainee. After
Yes.
you go from here, then you take back the burden on your shoulders, and then you go. But as long as, like, you're here inside, you have this. So I just a smile, a smile. It's a very, they say it's a very lethal weapon also.
Yes,
You can
yes.
conquer the entire world also with
One
a
smile
smile.
changes everybody's mood, ma'am. People
Everything.
around requires that smile to bring them up, bring them out of something, sadness or stress. And one smile, and your smile is always fan of it.
Oh, thank you so much.
Okay, ma'am. The next word, please. How do you feel, ma'am, when trainees graduate from our institute and carry forward the academic name further along with them?
I have a very live example sitting right in front of me.
Yes, yes. I can
That's,
proudly say
yeah.
I'm
See,
from my Sunshine
that's
Institute. Yes, I'm from Sunshine families.
thank you. Actually, like, you had, when introduction, you had listed out all these awards, and all, like, those awards and all. Okay, that is for me. Okay, whatever service I have rendered for the society, or whatever I'm doing, that is there. But my main award is the one when my teacher, my trained teacher, she comes back to me and she says, "It's like, ma'am, today I did this and I got this appreciation from the principal. Ma'am, I got the best award, teacher award. So, oh, ma'am, my students, they consider me as a role model." So when they come and tell me, that is the award, I think, which I feel, that is
Yes,
highest. I cannot compare it with anything else. So that
great,
makes
great,
me so proud. And
great.
I have two sons. Okay, just a small personal history. I have two sons, and I love daughters a lot. I don't have daughters, only two sons I have. So God has given me this opportunity. Like, whenever one batch starts, I always go and say, "I am your mother. This is your mother's house. So you're my daughters." So we have that kind of a vibe. We have that kind of a relation. I maintain with them more. So far, touch wood, it is going
Agree,
on.
agree, agree. It feels like home away from home. That's all. Just the house building changes, but the same
Changes.
environment, the same kind of feeling whenever we enter the institute, it is the same. Just home away from home. It's for us. It has been never felt like, okay, we are into some kind of institute where we have to be like scared of our ma'am. No, no, it was just walking in as if we are walking into a family.
But
That's all
even
from my personal level.
yeah, when we were talking about anxiety level, I forgot to mention you. Like you said, like smiling, and everyone considers me as sweet, kind, gentle. Everything is there. But when it comes to assessment, I'm a little bit strict.
Ah,
Yeah,
yes,
and we
yes,
have to
yes.
be.
Yes, yes, definitely. What roles where it has to be played, we have to maintain that.
Exactly.
Yes, yes, of course, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. So, what do you take home every day, ma'am, after work? Satisfaction or worry?
What do I
How
take?
happy
Obviously,
and satisfied you
satisfaction.
are with what work you're doing?
So you can look at me now. So it's like I'm getting younger day by day. So I carry
Yes.
back home only satisfaction. Of course, I will not say I'm always a happy person. I'm not like sad person. Nothing. I haven't carried home worried and everything at all. It's nothing like that. Of course, there were times when I was completely shattered. Completely, I was very low. So that point of a time, like I come home very sad with a very sad face. Immediately, my younger one. So of course, my elder one is also very good. He's very close to me. But my younger one, that point of a time, will come and say, "What happened? Any stress in the office?" I said like, yeah, this didn't happen, that didn't happen. So immediately he will give me tips and solutions for that. That is there. But satisfaction, of course, 100% satisfied because I get to meet a lot of people from different walks of life. So the way I live my life is completely different from way people who come over to my institute. So at the end of the day, I teach them, I give them some knowledge, so they take back home. The next day when they come, ma'am, so we actually implemented this method with my kid. I did this rhyme with my kid. I did this story with my kid. So the way he responded or the way she responded is really good, ma'am. So this is how when the feedback which I get, I'm like, okay, fine, I'm satisfied. So most of the time it is satisfaction, of course, worries. So because life, as I said, trials, tribulations, ups, downs, and everything, it happens.
Life is like worry and happiness is two sides of the coin where we have to face both. But the main thing is how do we overcome it? The first thing I would
Exactly.
like to say our viewer is to at least realize that you have some kind of mental thing. You're going through some kind of mental health issues. It might not be that severe, but something like, because as a human being we worry, even at staying just home also we worry, oh suddenly we have to buy something, or like from nowhere we get a news and we have to rush for some kind of emergency. That and all creates us stress, anxiety and everything. But how do we cope up, how do we maintain ourselves, and how do we live our life is what everything is about. Physically, if anything is hurt or anything happens, we immediately take care of it. But when something comes to mentally, many of people doesn't even realize that they have some kind of mental illness. It is not a big disease or anything, but a small stress which is we are carrying it for number of days. Every day we carry that, and that slowly affects our life, slowly affects our health. Everything starts affecting each other. If you are physically ill, that affects us mentally. If you are mentally ill, that affects us physically. So both are interlinked. We have to take care of both. Okay, ma'am.
And because we are like, they say women, we have that inborn capabilities in us how to balance everything.
Yes, we have to bring it.
Yes, it is in our
Right.
hands.
Yes, yes. Okay, ma'am. Moving forward, how do you manage your home and work as we were talking? Women
So
come always with both responsibilities, taking care of home as well as the what work we take up, whatever work it is.
so taking care of the home, taking care of the kids and everything. And apart from that, a woman who is working, she has an added responsibility. Okay, if you're going and working somewhere, that is a different issue. I'm not telling they don't have. Of course, even they do have.
Mhm.
But running an institute, that has its own,
Add on.
like,
Yes,
double
yes.
add-on
Add on.
responsibilities. Yeah, everything, you become everything. You become the boss, you become the servant over there. So it is there. So how do I manage planning? So planning and I think like preparing according to that. So planning is important. So we have to plan up. Only when we plan up, I guess, like we will be able to manage both. and also like keeping your professional and your personal life separate. So that is very important. So the moment you start mixing both the lives, what happens is like then only you will face all kind of tensions, this anxiety levels, it shoots up and everything. But always you should have in a balance over these two lives, both the professional as well as the personal life. So how I manage is like I plan up my things. So of course, even I do have mood swings. Even I go like, and I be very happy at times. I don't feel like, sometimes I feel okay, why do you have to go and work? Let me be a very good housewife. No, let us sit at home. Even those issues, those thoughts also I have. Everything is there, but main thing is planning up. So
Planning. So the
planning
main
up
takeaway is planning
for
to
me,
balance
planning
between the both lives. It is better to plan things. Yeah, out of
exactly.
nowhere, suddenly we get some kind of surprises. That is a different thing.
Yeah,
But planning always helps.
help, because like you're the person who's taking care of the family. So obviously, what are you going to do tomorrow? So that
Hmm.
should be only when you plan up, it will work out. Otherwise, like, if you don't plan up, it is not going to work out. So I
Very
plan
true.
my things according. Of course, there might be, I might not follow also my plans at times, but it goes on.
Great. Okay, ma'am. From your working experience of so many years, like almost 15 plus, I could say.
15 plus
Uh,
years.
yes. So, ma'am, can you tell us or narrate an incident like that gave you a big, huge type of a shock or surprise related to your work, and you thought that you were losing into it, but how, and still you came out of it and you were able to manage it.
Very big shock or surprise. What I can say is the initial days when I had set up initial days, and then after that, like in you mentioned the Shine Educational Society, remember?
Yes,
Then it
yes,
was renamed as Sunshine
Sunshine
Academy.
Academy.
The transition of that. So there was a time
Okay.
when we had to we started two of us together. Then due to some personal not reasons and all, we can say personal things, like okay, we thought of okay, let us like split. So transition of the Shrine Educational Society into Sunshine Academy was the biggest challenge which I faced. So I felt like, okay, this is somewhere it's not going to work out. All these years, this Shine Educational Society was there, and somewhere now it is going. We are going to put a full stop to that, and how I'm going to take further. So all these days, I had a support. Of course, I had support. My back end, my parents, my family, everyone was there. But this was that support was will not be there when it comes to Sunshine Academy. So how I'm going to do that? So that was the biggest challenge I have faced in these years. But still, that time before that, I was like I will not be able to do all alone. So I was like I was dependent. I was dependent on somebody. Okay, if that person is not there, then I will not be able to do. If someone is not there, I will not be able to do. So I was completely dependent on other people. But then I realized, no, I can do it. Why I can't do it? So that was a time I realized, okay, when you should have that self confidence in you, you should believe in yourself actually. So nothing is impossible in this world, but everything is also not possible. It is very easy to say nothing is impossible, everything is possible, but everything is also not possible. To reach to that level, everything is possible. You have to climb a ladder, and that ladder might be slippery at times. So you might slip and fall down to that level as well. So when I started Sunshine Academy, it was like that, and slowly I was just coming down. But then I said, no, I have to move on. So I started taking my failures and all in a very positive way. I started before that I was like, how it is going to happen when one batch ends, the next batch, how am I going to start? Who is going to come? It was like that. But then I thought, no, okay, we will get. We have created a brand name now. That Sunshine name is there, so we will get. So that was the not biggest also. You can say it was a challenge which I faced in all those years.
Great, great, great. So up and downs is a part and parcel of the life.
Yeah, that time actually, maybe before 5 years, that time only I realized, uh, we can be dependent on others. It is not like we can be independent. We can be independent in certain ways, we can be dependent in certain ways. But when it comes to you, you have to create yourself, means you can stand on your own. So it
Where
in
there is
time
a
it
fall,
comes
there
to,
is a rise.
yes, of course. like our sunshine name, they say with just the first ray of sunshine brings hope into our lives. The same way
Yes.
sunshine also brings hope into lives of many teachers. And
Very
so
much.
I,
The name itself says
the
sunshine.
name is,
Keep
yeah,
shining.
exactly. After that only my works got real. I mean, my works started to get realized. Like, they got started getting recognized, my works. So then I thought, okay, I can. It's not like I'm very proud of myself, but still I can say, okay, I can do it. When I can do
You're
it,
modest,
my
ma'am. You're being really modest.
no,
You
when
have
I
so
can do
many feathers. Still, you're not taking
we shouldn't do it.
name.
The day
Wow.
no the day when I start like okay, I don't know whether you mentioned this or not. You started calling me as Dr. Shakira Ahmed, Dr. Shakira Ahmed. So there is also a bit small story I would like to tell if you don't mind.
Please go ahead. Yes.
So it was last year 2020 when this happened, like when I got this the Guidance Council Achievement Award, where they had awarded me for the service rendered. So when I went along with that to my uncle's place, my Bade Mama's place, so I just showed him. So he said, like, enough, beta, you have got so many awards. This is enough. Next, what you're going to get is a doctorate only. So the
Oh,
next week, no one will believe it's a blessing. Actually, it's this blessing from the Lord Almighty also. Then the very next week itself, I got a call and said, "Ma'am, we are considering you for a doctorate of letters." Okay, so doctorate of letters is nothing but an honorary doctorate degree which is given to people who are being into service for nearly 15 years, more than 15 years also, let's say.
no.
So
Great.
my childhood dream was to become a doctor, actually. I wanted to
Wow.
become a doctor, but circumstances never allowed me. I landed up in teaching, which teaching wasn't my profession at all, but teaching was a profession which gained me a doctorate degree. So
Wow.
the day when I carry out, the day when I start showing myself, oh, I am one Dr. Shakira Ahmad, I have all these things, is the day when my failure starts. That is my motto. So I feel
Wow.
like,
That's
no, you can be proud. I show my proudness in front of the mirror. I feel, oh,
yeah.
I'm like this. Tanhai mein, when nobody is there,
Yes. Yes. Yes.
but not in front of others. The moment you show that face to people, people will not like you.
Yes. That changes into an attitude, and we might uh, change our
And
behaviors
the
and
moment
everything.
attitude steps in,
That's
believe me, mark my words, the moment attitude steps in, people will start disliking you. They will
leaving.
not like you.
Yes. They will
Yeah.
leave because we'll give more space to our attitude, and we'll be carrying all the tags, not ourselves,
Yes.
but the tags. And we will be
Exactly.
behind to maintain that. Oh, I have to earn more. People like me, and we might not do a service. That's what I'm like taking away from you. Like right away, what I'm taking in is never have to have those on heads. It is
No, you
just
shouldn't
be,
have. But they will come a day when you can show that proudly. But even I feel like you shouldn't do it. You can be proud. You can, but you show that you're proud only in the place where it is required. Maybe in certain places it will be required. You can show that, but not in every places. I cannot go and show, oh, I'm the principal, so I cannot do this teaching. I have appointed faculties do that. So in fact, to be honest and frank, even I got that particular attitude in me before few years. Let us be frank, like it is
yes,
a
yes.
talk show and we have
No,
to
no,
be
ma'am. It's a
speak.
learning phase. See, the talk show itself is a learning. That's the reason I have people like you in my show who will say how to be being a normal person. How do we ourselves adjust into the world without even getting so badly affected? That's what the takeaway of the entire show is, ma'am. So please continue.
So it happened. So when I was like, when the Sunshine Academy started, there were few people who were actually buttering me, and they were like, no, oh ma'am, you're the principal. You have to be like this. You have to be like. So they started like lifting me up. So I
Boosting,
was like,
yeah.
oh really? I'm the principal, right? So I have to be like this. So I did that. 1 year
Okay.
I had appointed faculties. And I was like, I'm completely away from that. I thought my only concern is like, okay, I have to just sit, come here, and just show, okay, I'm the principal. Okay, do like this and all that stuff. So the body language, everything changed. I mean, like, I was very gentle and every kind in front of the trainees, but behind that, I was like that. But it started showing its results.
Yes.
So, like, the training, what actually I used to give of like from all these years of my experience, that the newly appointed faculties were not able to because they were just new. They were not into this field for so many years. So ultimately, we could find the work, the albums work, or whatever practical work we used to do. Everything was not up to the mark. So somewhere the name of some sunshine was little bit, it was coming down. So that point of it, I immediately realized, no, this is not me. I cannot be like this. So whatever crown I'm wearing, let it be invisible to the people. Let me not show it. Why should I show it? The moment I
Super.
show it, that's all. So that's why
A
I
big
started.
takeaway for our viewers for today's episode, ma'am. Don't carry
No, no,
on
don't
your
carry.
heads. Don't show
Yeah.
off. Let the silence speak.
Yes. Let your work speak this.
Let the work speak.
Let it speak,
That is.
not your
Yes.
crown.
Yes. Great,
So
great, great, ma'am. Great, ma'am.
this is
Okay.
me.
Yes, ma'am. So, what would be your suggestion to people across, to our viewers? How to have the way you're maintaining your life? Give away some tips to maintain the same, like working home, office, not carrying
That I have told. Like don't
attitude.
carry an attitude.
Yes, no
That is
attitude,
very
and
important.
still wearing a smile. And it's not easy. I know the place where you're sitting. It's been definitely been a hard journey what you have traveled, and still you're traveling and you're climbing. And we are the followers, slowly, slowly climbing your footsteps. Especially me, I agree to it. You are
No,
my
no,
mentor.
I'm still, I have lots to conquer.
That's what, ma'am. So
This
you're
is not,
traveling behind you. We are
yeah,
climbing.
yeah.
Yes.
I obviously, I want my teachers also, like, come, like, follow me. When my teacher says, ma'am, you're ideal to me, I was like, okay, is that so? Have I been an ideal for you? Am I like the role model in your life? So that all this, it makes me happy. Like when you said, what do you carry back home, whether it is satisfaction or one more worry or something. I'm satisfied when people tell me that you're the role model, ma'am. You're my role model. So it happens.
Great.
See, to all the viewers over here, I would just like to say one thing. See, mental health issues or like mental issues, everyone comes across. Whether it is a person who's staying at home, a homemaker, or a person who's working, everyone do have this mental issue. The thing is how we are going to tackle it. See, one day when I'm depressed, I might be like, find a way to implement a way so that I can cope up with it. Basically, I'm very a shopaholic person. I love shopping, and online shopping I love to do. So when I'm depressed, my younger one will come and say, come, let's do some online shopping. So, but that same thing will not work in another day when I'm depressed, or like when I'm feeling low. So it all depends, like, so that time maybe, like, listening to music will be very soothing to me. So whatever it is, I'm just telling you, like, we can stay positive, but not all the times we can stay positive. Sometimes we like to, like, burst out. Obviously it happens in my institute as well. Not all the time I'll carry a smile. When it comes to the album submission examination point of view, I'll be having a strict face. That point of time I'll try to suppress my smile. And there are times when I have to, like, smile in spite of being, what to say, very low, or I'm feeling very angry, or whatever is it. But the only thing is the way you carry and the way you present yourself to others,
Wow, ma'am.
because
It
everyone
was
has their own issues. Now I cannot step into your shoes, you cannot step into my shoes.
very
So
true.
only thing is believe in yourself. And one thing what I always tell my teachers, I constantly motivate my teachers, because you're also my students, so you must be knowing how I motivate my students. That motivation itself gives me a positive energy and a positive vibes around me. So I create a space. I tell my students, always create a space which is only for you, where even your husband, your kids, your parents, nobody can enter. And my space is like shopping, online shopping for clothes. Whether it is like, just online window shopping, or like online seriously and shopping, or whatever. So that is my space, and I don't allow anyone to enter into that. People might say, why you're buying so many things, you have so many, why do you want to buy? I said, like, no, that is my happiness. I get some happiness from that. So that's where my mental peace lies.
Great,
Or
great, great, ma'am.
sometimes becoming a kid and eating chocolates, that is also
Uh-huh.
there. So sometimes what I'm telling is, at one point of a day, sorry, at one day you choose and live a life for yourself. Every day we are living life for everyone, whether it is kids, husbands, in-laws, parents, whatever. So one fine day, it can be at least once in a while, once in a year, once in 2 years, once in 3 years. It's okay. That one day when you live a life, not even one day, just 1 hour you spend for yourself, doing what you like.
Great,
It
great.
will give you a very positive energy.
Wow,
That it
wow.
itself will make you to move on.
That's what, that's what. So, viewers, I hope you have taken so much of inputs from Dr. Shakira ma'am, and it was just from a live example, a real life example, what she was, what she is, and how to be yourself. It's all about being happy. It's not like avoiding or anything, it's just facing your life, but with a positive attitude. That's all. Ultimately, it is like being happy, spreading happiness. Nothing is to ourselves and nothing only for ourselves. It is among us, for us. Right? So, here we come to the end of the first episode. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much for the wonderful speech, for your life experience, the journey you have taken through. And I hope our viewers also would have definitely had a good time listening to us and taking so many of inputs from us. So, friends, do be alive on this show because every week I'll be bringing to you a common person with their own life and their own journey. But you'll definitely have a lot more to learn, and you're welcome to comment in the comment section if you have anything. If we have any questions for ma'am, I'll wait for 1 or 2 minutes. You can go ahead because right now we have been only getting the command that super sessions, good sessions, and nice sessions. People are loving our talks, ma'am. They are like so happy to listen from you, especially the life
See,
journey.
another crowd, another feather in my crown, but I'm not going to show it to anyone.
Huh?
So, right.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, yes, definitely. I guess our viewers have got all the answers before even asking you, ma'am, because you have covered a it was like I could also feel like a normal life. Like even I live that life, and you are talking about like my own life. Yes, we go through ups and downs, and still we come out of it, and we spread, we smile, we move around.
See,
That's
life
what a
is all.
life is.
They say no. In Hindi, you have this कहावत है, 4 दिन की जिंदगी. What are we going to take after this? And nothing you're going to
Yes,
take. Only the good
nothing.
deeds will speak. Tomorrow,
Yes,
if I'm gone,
obviously.
also they will say, oh, there was a person, there was a lady called Shakira. So she was
Yes,
training. Oh, such a beautiful smile. So inspired by whatever
yes.
you people said me. So such a beautiful smile and everything. So that's a good deed. What you're going to carry. So
Uh-huh.
live happy. When you're happy, the house is happy. When you're sad, the house obviously be sad.
Yes, yes.
The end.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for being on my show and for
Most
the
welcome.
wonderful session with you, ma'am. Thank you, audience. Thank you, viewers, for joining us. Stay tuned. I'll be updating you with my upcoming episodes. Till then, bye. Bye, ma'am. Thank
Bye,
you so
Sejal.
much
Take
once
care.
again. Bye, ma'am.